I want to show you how to help your dad find his iPhone. Let's say he only has an iPhone, so he can't use a watch or iPad to use the Find My to locate it. Now, if he's just lost it in the house where it's nearby, you can add a shortcut that will respond when you say its name to Sir. I'll call it right now. And let's see how that works out for him. Hey Siri, where are you?
Here I am. Come here and get me.
So it speaks up, flashes a light, and sets a timer so he can dismiss it when he finds it. So this could work for him because he lives alone. He doesn't have anyone to even ring his phone, call him.